Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the pattern, PIN, password to. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and let's assume that I don't actually know it. So number one, hold power key, select power off, and when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode, so here you want to use volume up to navigate, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. From here, once you see the no command and little Android here, what you want to do is hold power key and then press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode, where you will find the wipe data factory reset option. So we need to select it using volume keys, and once it's selected, press power key to confirm it. Again, let's select yes, and as you can see, formatting data, the next thing we will see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. As you can see, there we go, data wipe complete, and reboot system now selected. So all you need to do is press power key, and this will initiate the reboot, and also continue the formatting of the device in the background. So it will take it a little bit longer to turn back on, even though you won't be seeing really any kind of progress here. It's going to take about a minute or two for it to boot back up, and once it does, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.